demonstration, writing our first program in C. So as discussed, we will type this first C program of ours, which is simply declaring variables, accepting values from the user, and printing the output. We will be using Turbo C to try our examples and demos. So to start with Turbo C, on the command prompt type TC. This opens the Turbo C editor. To start with a new file, I'll say Alt F and new. This opens up a new file for us. And then we start with the comment line. The comment would be, this is my first C program. Comment complete. Then I start with hash include statement. Start with the main function, void main void. In Turbo C, specifying the return type of the main function is optional. Then we declare all our variables, say character C, unsigned character D, and so on. So we will type this entire code and then test it. Remember to save this program with the file extension as .c. After completing the typing, the entire program will look like this. This is a program whereby we are simply accepting some values from the user and printing those values immediately. So I have saved this program with the .c extension. Now I'll check by compiling the program. To compile, we'll use Alt C or Alt F9. Compilation says 0 lines, 0 errors. You can observe that it says the number of lines compiled are 331, whereas if you see, I have just typed 24 lines. The reason it says lines compiled to be as 331 is because I have included stdio.h file. So the number of files that you will include, those number of files will become a part of your program. Compilation is now successful. I'll run the program by using Alt R, run. So the program is running. It comes to the output window. Now it is waiting for the user response. Initially, we are supposed to enter two characters. I'll enter the character as A and B. So it immediately points out the output to us as A and B. Secondly, we are supposed to enter an integer and an unsigned integer. So I'm going to enter 20 and 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 comes up. Third time, I'm supposed to enter a long integer and an unsigned long integer. So I'll enter -100 and 200. It prints back the values. Lastly, I'm supposed to enter a float, a double, and a long double value. So I'll enter 2.5, 50.4, and 2000.10. Now, the moment I entered the values and I pressed enter, you will see that the control returns back to the program. I was not able to see the output of the last statement. To see the output of the last statement, I need to press Alt F5. Pressing Alt F5 will bring me back to the output screen. I repeat, Alt F5. Here I can see the output of my program as whatever values I have typed, it has returned it back to me. The last line now shows me the float, the double, and the long double value. You can see the precision is 6 digits after the decimal point. So it has automatically added those extra zeros. So this was all about our very first C program.